What's going on, guys? This is Joey Bada Bing 22, your local mailman, and today I am gonna make a what sold video, and we got some good stuff that we sold, so let's get to it. All right, so our first item, we sold this pasta macaroni vintage Italiano. You put the noodle, like you get the dough and you roll it out and you put this on this little machine and you crank it like this and the noodles come out, and it's really, really cool. And I bought this at a Goodwill for $4 whole, and guess how much I sold it for, guys? $61.57 with no shipping. I'm paying for the shipping, but this was a great deal right here, guys. I bought this at a Goodwill for $4 and it's vintage. It's made in Italy, actually. Very awesome piece right here, and we're making some money, baby, so let's go. Next, I sold a vintage 1991 Magnavox VCR. This thing was really, really rare. I've never seen one on eBay or even on the internet. I was looking for this VCR and I couldn't find it anywhere, but I sold it for boop $84.22 with the buyer, with not paying shipping, free shipping. See, guys, I really think Hustlin' Hooks has a great idea on how to sell items with free shipping and being competitive, and even with Rally Roots, even with Harry Tornado. I mean, everybody has their predictions on how to sell something, but the best way, I think, in psychological is to do free shipping. People, they see free shipping and they think it's free. So do it, guys, just do it. Be competitive with other resellers. Don't think that you have to have shipping or calculated shipping. You know a VCR is gonna ship out to, let's say, California for only $20 UPS ground. So you kind of add that into the circumstances, you might make extra money by doing free shipping. Next, I sold this GameCube game, and I picked this up from a buddy from work, and I was talking to another coworker about selling a video game, and my friend was like, hey, I have a couple video games, do you want them? I was like, sure, what kind do you got? He's like, I got GameCube, Xbox. I was like, say no more, let me see what you got. So he let me see what he had, and he was like, Joey, you know what, here, just take it. I was like, dude, Chris, thank you so much, man. Like, Chris, if you're ever watching this, shout out to you. If you guys ever come across GameCube games, make sure you grab them. They're bolos, I'm telling you. If they have the manual inside of them, please, if you go to Goodwills, Facebook, anywhere, go check that out. You will find some great stuff for a cheap, cheap price. And get out there and go source, baby. Next, I sold this Jesus resin. I don't know if you guys ever seen that or heard of it. It's like a really good sculpted like piece, but it's like molded and painted. It's really, really awesome. I'm gonna show a picture right here. But I sold it for $24.99. It was a full price, didn't even get any kind of offer. They just bought it, baby. But awesome sale right there. It's a St. Joseph, cool little piece. Catholic, religious, Christianity kind of pieces are always a cool stuff to find. Make sure you keep an eye out on that. Next, I sold these baby retro Jordan shoes. I picked these up at a Goodwill for $2 whole, and it was such a cool find because, you know, finding a pair of Jordans is like the holy grail of finding anything at a Goodwill, thrift store, and to buy for that cheap because they're baby shoes for only $2? Come on, baby, let's go. Guess how much we sold them for, baby? Guess how much we sold them for? Boop! $69.99 with free shipping. Wow. I'm speechless. They sold for full price. I always have offers on, and I always recommend for you guys to always have best offer on, but when you sell something with best offer on, what a good feeling, baby. So we sold them for $69.99, and we're gonna get those shipped out as soon as possible. Next, I sold this Canon LIDE scanner. So what you do is the thing opens like this, and you put a piece of paper inside of it, and you close it, and it scans, but it goes onto the computer. So it has a little USB port. I bought this at a Goodwill for only $2, and I sold it for, boop, $39.99, baby. We sold that thing fast too. I listed it and it was like 2 hours. I sold it full price, free shipping, got that shipped out. I think it was going to California. I spent like $12 on shipping, and I spent $2. You guys know the profits, baby. Let's go! Woo! Now I gotta get down. Next, I sold these K2 rollerblades, baby. I'm sliding, I'm doing my thing, let's go! I sold these K2 rollerblades, baby, and I picked these up at a Goodwill for $4. And K2 Athena is a wonderful brand. It actually had the Breast Cancer Awareness Month, like the ribbon on it, so it jacked up the value a little bit. And yeah, keep your eye out for K2 Athena. Awesome brand there. So I sold them for, boop, $52.99, baby. Woo! Let's go, man. These sales are getting really good, baby. Let's go. So a long time ago, I actually bought this PlayStation 2 bundle. I found one black PlayStation and one silver one, and it had a bunch of video games with it. But I found this one video game in particular that sells for a lot more money. Usually PS2 games don't sell for that much, but this one in particular sold for a pretty good amount of money. So I like I said, got that bundle, and I got this video game called The Punisher. PS2. Guys, keep your eye out for that. Awesome sale right there. We sold it for, boop, $32.99, baby. What a great sale. Keep your eye out for PlayStation 2 games. Even though sometimes they don't go for that much, just keep your eye out and think about me. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh, I love my life, man. I love that I could do this, and I can't wait to do it full time someday, man. Woo! I love life, dude. Thank you guys for always being here. There's my scooter. So for my last and final item, I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart from everyone that bought a t-shirt for me, my own merch, my own face on that mail truck. It's just crazy to even think that all of you guys, I think it's like 45 of you guys, bought a t-shirt for me. Like, guys, thank you so much. Like, you don't even understand how thankful I am for that. It's just crazy. I can't even believe it. It's just something that I've always wanted to do since I'm little, like always seeing these other YouTubers when I grow up. You know, when I wanted to grow up, I wanted to be like them, but I wanted to be myself. And just showing you guys my life is just so thankful for. So I want to thank you guys. I want to put a boop out, but there's so many names, so I'm gonna have to like put a picture of everybody's name. But if you guys did buy a t-shirt from me and I don't put your name on here, listen, I'm just so thankful for you, and I hope you're enjoying them. They're really, really clean. I know they're awesome. They're so cool. But boop! Shout out to all of you guys. Thank you so much for buying a shirt, and thank you guys so much. It really means a lot. So guys, that's gonna be it for me. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, smack it for me on the way out, and leave a comment down below. Anything, leave this something, leave me something, talk to me. I want to have a conversation with you. Thank you guys so much, and this has been Joey Bada Bing 22, your local mailman. And I'll see you guys next time. See ya.